Hi there, welcome to High5 Education. Join and excel with us. Let's talk about adverbial conjunctions. Adverbial conjunctions, also called conjunctive adverbs and conjunctive adverbial phrases, connect two sentences or independent clauses and show the relationship between them. Adverbial conjunctions help readers understand how ideas within a piece of writing relate to one another. They can also help your writing flow more smoothly. For instance, adverbial conjunctions can indicate cause and effect, such as consequently, therefore, accordingly. Signal similarity likewise, similarly in the same way. To signal a contrast, you can use words like conversely, notwithstanding, and still. Now let's learn with an example. Mr. Baker finds the recently released budget worrisome. Blank, he is concerned about staffing. In the past, he's observed that budget cuts frequently lead to layoffs. Specifically better connects the ideas in the text. This adverbial conjunction signals that Mr. Baker worries about how the new budget will affect staffing. Complete the text with the better adverbial conjunction. Contrary to popular belief, fruit can be the star of many savory dishes. Blank, grilled watermelon burgers are a must-try for a summer barbecue. High five, keep learning. See you in the next learning video. Thank you for watching. We truly love you all. If you want more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. Leave a comment and share it to make it viral. Let's spread learning everywhere.